Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. My name is Alice, and yeah, this is not the usual intro I do, so please forgive me. It's just that I deleted the previous clip, the intro clip of everything, so please forgive me. Today we'll be discussing, or I'll be reviewing the HairFix hair coloring shampoo in platinum blonde. So all the informations that you would be needing, like the prices, the color ranges, will be provided on the description box since I also did a blog post about this. Medyo struggle si ate girl nyo, so please pagpasensyahan nyo na. And yes, I'm gonna be doing a demo in this video too, so make sure to check it out and let me know on the comment section what you think. But for now, I will just pass it on my past self to talk more and show you how it's done. Okay, so we have the gloves on. It took me about a minute to get it on. And I've had my hair slightly wet. Hindi ko alam yung definition ng slightly wet, so I just like wet everything. Hindi ko siya alam talaga. Okay. So, hindi ko alam saan to bubuksan, but I think it's here. I have my trusty gonteng. What? There's like a divider here. Parang may divide yung product. Ayan o. Okay. Oh, okay. Wait lang. Okay, we're gonna do this in sections because I don't know if I can do this all throughout. Yung amoy niya hindi kasing rough or kasing harsh. Rough talaga yung term. Harsh nung talagang bleach. At sinabi dito, kailangan i-mix siya ng maigi. So, that's what we're gonna do. Ganda yung packaging niya. Kasi, you don't have to get like two separate sachets or bottles. It's just like one. Nahati sa gitna. Tapos, kailangan ilalather daw siya. In fairness, it lathers up Hindi siya Hindi siya yung katulad ng iba na parang kala mo naglalagay ka ng chok sa buhok. Like, I don't know. How much lather is enough? Teka, meron pa dito eh. Sisimutin natin to. And by the way, this can last up to 10 weeks depending on how you take care of your hair. Wait. I need some water. Just massage it just like you're massaging shampoo. Ah! Nagtatanggal siya ha. It stings! And lathered up na siya. Para talaga siyang shampoo. It's not doing any change to my hair yet. We will see. Okay guys, so it's been about 6 minutes that I've been struggling here. So habang hinihintay natin siyang mag-platinum blonde, ibababad ko muna siya. Okay, so while I'm having this sit onto my hair for 20 to 25 minutes, I'm gonna get back to you guys later after ko ma-ferment. Bago, alam mo yun, makita natin yung result. So, I'll talk to you guys in a while. Okay guys, so a bit of an update. Hinugasan ko na yung buhok ko. And this is what it looks like. It's not dry yet, okay? Bigyan natin ng pag-asa. Let's get it dry first and see if there's a difference, because your girl is expecting way too much for this product. Alam mo yun, parang I'm putting a lot of high expectations on this, and I really wanted this to work. So wait till my hair dries up, and then I'll give you all the lowdown, what I think about it, if it's worth my money, worth your money. Let's just see about that in a while. Okay, so we're back. So let's take a look at my hair. So if you can see at the roots, it didn't really do anything. The only thing I can say that is a distinct difference is this here. There is like a little bit of lightness, but it's not like, you know, it made the, you know, the blonde of like my blonde hair shinier, which I'm really happy about, to be honest. It just didn't really do like, really made this part of my hair like what it says in here. So, you know, in terms of your expectation, it has to be relatively low, because it doesn't really look good. Like, I think I really need to just like bleach my hair, which I really need to do, because it's been about 3 to 4 months since I last bleached my hair, which I will do a video about that, and possibly that video I will also be, you know, doing other things to my hair. But this Live Strong HairFix hair coloring shampoo doesn't really work for me, you know. Maybe it will work more if the more I use it, but if you're wanting for like instant gratification, it won't lighten this hair. Like, my hair is near like lighter shade of brunette, but it did made my existing blonde hair look much better than before. So it's like a hit or miss, okay? Tapos ang isa pang nangyari dito sa product na to with my hair is, after washing my hair completely and letting it dry, you really have to put conditioner, because it's just like literal na para akong dumampot ng walis tampo sa texture niya. It's that. But applying conditioner to this makes it much better. I do like it. Is it a good or a dud product? I think it's a work in progress product. Okay, it's the sort of product na parang it's giving you a very high expectation, but you have to keep your expectations relatively low, because it did say results may vary, so don't expect it to give instant results. It did make my hair color much more vibrant, which I'm happy. I just didn't expect it na hindi niya at least na lighten. It's not light, okay? From even looking at the mirror right now, wala. There's no difference from what it looked like before. It looked much better, but it's not platinum blonde better. So, yeah. So, that's basically it for today's video, guys. I do want to say that I will be trying this out, so if ever, I'm gonna be posting an update video about this, possibly in about a month or two. But overall, I do like this product. Other informations I did not say in this video will be provided on the description box, so go check it out. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social networking accounts, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And of course, yeah, girl has to go now. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye! Mwah!